What happens? If your body temperature hits 50 degrees Celsius, your body goes into immediate panic mode. Your heart races, blood pressure skyrockets, and blood vessels dilate extensively in a desperate attempt to cool down. But there's a problem. You're experiencing severe dehydration. Your brain becomes overloaded. You lose consciousness, feel dizzy, and your vision blurs. Your internal organs are burning from the inside. At 50 degrees Celsius, without immediate medical intervention, you have only a few minutes before game over. Your organs shut down. Blood thickens. Your brain ceases to command your body. And then, you will never wake up again. Don't wait until it's too late. Keep hydrating, avoid intense sunlight, seek shade or cool places, and cool your body immediately. To not miss out on fascinating facts about the human body, hit subscribe to Good Knowledge channel now.